Hi, my name's Mel, and I'm going to be singing The Eye of the Tiger. Afterwards, I'm going to be doing Sexy and Know It and Without Me by Eminem. Hope you enjoy. Rising up, back on the street. Took my time, took my chances. When the distance, now I'm back on my feet. With the man and his will to survive. So many times, passing too fast. You change your passion for the glory. Don't lose your grip on the dreams of the past. You fight just to keep them alive. You see, I have the tiger with the thrill of the fight, rising up to the challenge of our rival. And the last known survivor, prey in the night, and he's watching us fall in the eye of the tiger. So face out in the heat, hanging up, staying home. This is us till we take to the street, kill with to survive. It's the eye of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight, rising up to the challenge of our rival. And the last don't survive is softly prey in the night, and he is watching us fall with the eye of the tiger. Up, straight to the top, had the guts, got the glory. Went to fences, now I'm not gonna stop. Just a man and his will to survive. You see, I have the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight, rising up to the challenge of a rival. And the last known survivor stops his prey in the night, and he's watching us fall with the eye of the tiger. The tiger. The eye of 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 the tiger. Thank you.